All right, that was my 8 mandarin oranges in my 9x13. Now I'm coming in with a can of my crushed pineapple, and we are keeping those juices in with that pineapple. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious springtime dessert. I have some mini marshmallows. I'm gonna use about half of our bag of our mini marshmallows. It's gonna be so yummy and so delicious. You can use the fruity marshmallows if you prefer. To keep with the orange theme, we have our orange jello mix that we're gonna sprinkle on top of all of those yummy ingredients. This is gonna be a no-bake dessert that my family absolutely loves. It is a must make in the spring. Time to make this nice and creamy, because what is better than orange and cream? So we are adding some cottage cheese to this. Now, if you don't like cottage cheese, you can use sour cream or you can use cream cheese, but I personally love the cottage cheese for this recipe. All right, we use that whole container. Oh, it smells so good with that orange jello. And the last but certainly not least, we have our Cool Whip extra creamy. Yep, the best kind of Cool Whip there is. Now, if you don't like Cool Whip, you can do homemade whip topping. I always mention that. But we are gonna use all 8 ounces of our Cool Whip. We're gonna get all of that out into our 9x13. And I'm obviously mixing this up all in my 9x13 because I think it just presents so much better this way. But if you wanna do this all in a bowl, you do you. I am just doing things how I like to do them, and sometimes they're a little bit unconventional, but I think it all comes together in the end. And you know it, we are gonna start mixing all of this together. Now, obviously I use those fresh mandarin oranges, but you can do canned mandarin oranges if you prefer. Just whatever you like, just mix it up all together and it comes out beautifully. You could do strawberries with strawberry jello. You could do raspberries with raspberry jello, limes with lime jello. The options are endless. But this is so great for a spring picnic, an Easter party, a Sunday brunch. It is honestly so great for so many things, and it's so easy to make. Anyone can make this. So we're gonna make sure we mix this all together until it's fully combined. All right, this is all fully mixed together, but we do need to let this chill. So I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for 1 hour. All right, we just took this out of the freezer, and before we dig in, I'm gonna grab some extra oranges and just kind of place these right on top of our delicious orange ambrosia salad. Yep, that's what we're making. I just think that these little orange slices add a little extra flair to them, but this is optional. You can skip this, or you can add some nuts on top, some sprinkles, whatever you like. You can add it right on top, but I think that looks perfect. All right, time to dig in. Oh, that thickened up nice. Oh my, it looks so good. Oh, I love mandarin oranges. This is gonna be like an orange creamsicle. It's gonna be so good.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. Wow. That is absolutely incredible. You've got to try it.